How is memory created, retrieved and changed? Encoding is the process of getting information into memory by transforming it into a storable form. Storage is the retention of information over time. Retrieval is bringing stored information back into awareness or using it to influence behavior. Maintenance rehearsal is simple repetition. It keeps information active briefly, but is weak for long-term learning. Elaborative rehearsal links information to meaning and existing knowledge, making long-term memory stronger. The self-reference effect means people remember information better when they relate it to themselves. The generation effect means people remember information better when they produce it themselves rather than simply read it. Retrieval practice means testing yourself by bringing information to mind that strengthens later recall. A retrieval cue is a word, object, context, or signal that helps bring a memory back. Encoding specificity says retrieval improves when recall cues match the conditions present during encoding. State-dependent learning means memory can improve when the person's internal state at retrieval matches the state during encoding. Transfer appropriate processing says memory is best when the type of processing during study matches the type of processing needed during the test. Consolidation stabilizes memories after learning through changes in the brain. Reconsolidation occurs when a retrieved memory becomes active again and may be modified before being stored again. Autobiographical memory is memory for events and experiences from a person's own life. The reminiscence bump is the tendency for adults to remember many events from adolescence and early adulthood. Flashbulb memory is vivid memory for a surprising or emotional event. It feels accurate, but can still contain errors. Constructive memory means memory is rebuilt rather than replayed exactly. Knowledge, expectations, and schemas help fill gaps. Source monitoring is the process of identifying where a memory came from. A source monitoring error happens when a person remembers information but misattributes its source. The misinformation effect occurs when misleading information after an event changes memory for the original event. Eyewitness testimony can be unreliable because perception, attention, stress, suggestion, and reconstruction affect memory. False memory is memory for something that did not actually happen or was not presented. Core idea. Memory involves encoding, storage, retrieval, and reconstruction. Because memory is reconstructive, it is useful, but also vulnerable to error.